welcome you to the 2021 NFL kickoff here in East Rutherford, New Jersey at MetLife Stadium. The New York Giants and the Denver Broncos open up this season. A great atmosphere, as you may have seen across the country on this opening NFL Sunday.
We back! We back!
Empty backfield, 3 right, 2 to the left. 4-man pressure. Jones drops in trouble, and he's going to be hit and sacked, and that's Von Miller with his first sack of the season. Von Miller beat Nate Solder off the edge.
From the 2. Big to Gordon. Bridgewater to the goal line. Patrick, and a touchdown to take the lead for the Broncos.
Play fake. Bridgewater in trouble. Stiff arms away. Ball is caught, and inside the 5-yard line is Okwuegbunam, and into the end zone with the Denver touchdown. You got to be kidding me. In the pocket, protection is good. Starts to break down. Jones now decides to run inside the 20, inside the 15. Fumbles the football, and I think Malik Reed has it. I think. Yep. Denver's first creative turnover of the game at a huge time.
Daniel Jones looking right, throwing right, looking for Golladay, and it's broken up by Kyle Fulton. Broncos take over with 6.5 to play. Melvin Gordon looking for a big run. There goes Melvin Gordon, turning on the afterburners, being chased. And all the way to the house, 70-yard touchdown.
One to know! Let's go! Happy we got the win. That's the most important thing, man. Back in front of the fans, that's the second most important thing, man. And now we about to make the plane do backflips on the way home, man. It feels good.
It's always good when you don't play your best game and come out with a victory. That's the NFL, man. You're going to have close games where it ain't clean. As long as you make it out on top, man, it's an easy day.
1 to 0! 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 1 to 0. Good win, man. Good win. First of many, man. Keep doing what we doing, man. 1 to 0. Come on.